y'all talking shit about him on YouTube. And then there's a Vantage.
Probably cost $5,000.
Mercedes. Dog. Look at the pink Mercedes.
Look at what?
The pink Mercedes.
I don't want that shit on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube, man.
It's Ferrari though. Oh, this a 330 lane?
Mercedes.
See, they gonna be on YouTube for real.
Yep.
Look at that Mary Kay Mercedes.
I want it.
I want that Ferrari. Is that the Pista?
I forgot you don't have 10. I was looking at these people.
Who trying to look at the Mercedes? Oh, it's a 488 Pista. I'll make it ready. Yeah, that's tight.
That's a nice looking car.
Yeah, that's real nice.
I like that building.
And look at pretty cars.
What about, see, are you done with Lackables?
No, I'm finna. When we get to this, when we move, I'm going to the LA Fitness and go back to playing racquetball. That's a nice little outside area.
Yeah, a little heater.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back into the whole racquetball thing.
This is where they have salsa games.
Oh, is it?
The outdoor salsa games. Yeah, right there.
How the hell I get back? That's the freeway right there. I need to go back the other way. So what is this called? A park district?
It's called Park District. There's that sticky one. Harry.
Yeah, we'll have to check it out next time. So you say they be dancing salsa over there, huh?
In the middle, yeah.
Yo, they're playing ping pong.
Is this where Statler is? Is Statler around here? Remember the salsa place that we went upstairs? That we went
It does
up there
look
to
familiar.
picture? To the balcony upstairs.
Clyde Warren Park. Oh, okay, yeah, they do have a lot of stuff over there.
Check it out tonight. Not tonight.
Shit. You got your one trip.
That's it.
You got your one trip to Dallas. Don't make no 2 trips in a day in Dallas.
Maybe next weekend or something.
I think that's against the law.
There's a Christmas tree right there.
Shit, I tell you what, I'll do a U-turn. You go to look at that tree.
That's
Oh yeah, they having a Christmas program over there. Don't y'all know? What about COVID-19? What the? Damn, look at that pretty ass dog.
Aww, he's cute.
This is the India Grill in Arlington. Indian or India? Indian Grill in the Highlands. We killed the food. Definitely worth checking this out. Look at that. Sweet. I'm gonna assume it's a Chevy, but I don't know what. I know it is real nice. I don't want to be all up on people's cars. I used to be like that. Yeah, that's nice.